Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video, I'm going to show you our brand new lot of mask supplies. Now, we know that we all have to be wearing masks, so I thought it would be great to take a moment to show you some of the new supplies that we've brought in to help make it easier for you. So let me first start by a couple of the things that you're going to need when you start making your mask. So we have these aluminum nose strips, and these actually have a really nice adhesive to them. They're nice and long, and what's great is you get 24 pieces per pack, so you can make masks for all your friends and family. All right, so the next item that you're going to need is you're going to need some cord. Now we do have these 5-yard, and these are 3mm cords. We have them in the black and the white, and these are both round. So let me show you what that looks like here. I have a larger spool if you wanted to. This is 100 yards. So we have the round version here. So it's a little bit of a rounder cord. It still is a little bit flat, which is nice and really, really comfortable, and it's very stretchy, which is great, but holds its stretch nicely. So we have the round cord here, and just for comparison, here is the flat cord, and let me just pull this out there so you can see that it's a little bit wider, and it is definitely a little bit of a flatter cord. So we also have this in the white as well. So if you are making a bunch of masks, you might want to get that bulk spool. All right, so the next thing that, you're going to need with some masks is you're going to need something to sort of cinch it if you are creating something where you need it to be a little bit easier to size. And because always naturally, spandex cord and elastic cord will stretch out. So what we have here is we have these cord locks. Now these are actually really cool. They sort of go on the side of your mask, and let me show you on the back here how it works. They go on the little side of your mask there, and you can just use a little hook to get them on, and then you can adjust your mask to make it nice and tight, because we want that to be really close to the face so we don't let any air in. Perfect. So we have that in the white and the black, and then we do also have a different version here that is a little bit more of a cylindrical one, and it works just the same way, but it is a different option for you as well. So again, we have that in the white and the black, and then this is actually really cool. So this one here actually combines them together. So we have the spandex cord with the silicone cord lock. So again, we have that in the white and the black. All right, the final thing that I want to show you is these, and I think these are actually really neat. These are mask mates. You can see that we have them in, again, white and black. So if you can look at this photo here, it shows that you can put it around your head or around the back of the neck for comfort. So I know a lot of people have been experiencing irritation around the ears, so this will help with that. And you can see that it is sized to fit many different sizes here. So it's a very simple thing, and you can just attach it to your mask and unattach it to your mask. There's no tools or anything required to be able to do that. So it is something that you can take on and off if your comfort allows. So that is it. So we are so excited to bring you this beautiful line, Fablastic from the Beadsmith, and we hope you are out there and staying safe, and we want to make sure that you continue to do so. Thank you so much. You can find all of these items over at Beadaholique.com. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button below to get all the latest from Beadaholique.